Pumpkin seeds are a good source of B vitamins, magnesium, iron, and protein. The seeds have high levels of essential fatty acids that help maintain healthy blood vessels and lower unhealthy cholesterol in the blood. Pumpkin seeds are nutritional powerhouses because they are an excellent source of protein, healthy fat, and beneficial fibers. These wonder seeds can be used as nutritional snacks for both men and women. They are ideal snacks because they fill your stomach for a longer duration. Here are 8 benefits of eating pumpkin seeds. Number 1. Heart-friendly. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of healthy fats, fibers, and various antioxidants that are beneficial for the heart. These seeds consist of monounsaturated fatty acids that help to lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol in the blood. The presence of magnesium in the seeds helps regularize blood pressure levels. Number 2. To get a sound sleep. Pumpkin seeds contain serotonin, a neurochemical, which is also known as nature's sleeping pill. Pumpkin seeds are high in tryptophan, an amino acid that further converts into serotonin in the body, ensuring a sound night's sleep. A handful of these seeds before going to bed will help you sleep away to glory. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Pumpkin seeds are known to have anti-inflammatory properties and are known to reduce arthritis pain. Pumpkin seed oil is a good remedy when it comes to treating pain in the joints. Number 4. Builds immunity. The presence of high amounts of antioxidants and phytochemicals ensure a good immune system and further reduce the possibility of viral infections that may lead to cold, flu, fatigue, and other ailments, especially during winter seasons. Number 5. Improves prostate health. High zinc in pumpkin seeds are useful for promoting men's fertility and preventing prostate problems. Pumpkin seeds also have DHEA, dehydroepiandrosterone, that helps reduce the chances of prostate cancer. Number 6. A boon for diabetics. Pumpkin seeds help improve insulin regulation in diabetics and decrease oxidative stress. These seeds are a rich source of digestible protein that helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Number 7. Helps in losing weight. This is one of the best snacks to lose weight. They might look small, but are very dense and heavy foods that help you keep satiated for a longer period. They are also high in fiber, which takes longer for your body to digest, leaving you full, keeping you away from any craving. Number 8. Helps in hair growth. Pumpkin seeds consist of cucurbitin, a unique amino that may be responsible for hair growth. Apart from this, they also contain vitamin C that also plays a crucial role in hair growth. Apply pumpkin seed oil on the scalp to see the results, or just consume a handful of them daily. Some ways you can eat pumpkin seeds include eating them raw and using them as a garnish for baked goods and soup.